Hey everybody! Today we are going to learn how to get a folder identification in Google Drive so you can use it for sharing links, scripts, or automation tools. First, find the folder you want to get the ID from. Double-click the folder to open it. Now look at the address bar at the top of your browser. You will see a link that looks like drive.google.com/drive/folders/ followed by a long string of letters and numbers. Everything after /folders/ is the folder ID. Select only the long string of letters and numbers after /folders/. Right-click and choose Copy. That copied text is your folder ID. You can now paste it into scripts, apps, or sharing configurations that require a folder ID. That's it. I hope this helps you on your current and future projects. Thank you for watching.